Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial we will be making a character designer in Scratch. So we will be making something like this. So you can change, like you can design your own character, something like that. So and you can also make something like this, that is also a like type of character designer, and I will also tell you how to do that. So something like this, like you have buttons, so you can click so that it changes, right? Almost the same thing, but here we use the buttons. So without any ado, let's start. First, we will open a new project in Scratch. So here I am on a project. Well, it's not a new project. So what I've just done is that, say for a dog, I want my tail to be customizable, my ears to be customizable, and the face to be customizable, and the body. So for that, I have put them into different, like sprites, like all your parts. So maybe say for a donut you will have the base of a donut, then you will have the toppings of a donut separate, and a frosting of the donut as a separate fry sprite, so some like that. Okay, so next what we'll be doing, first I'll be adding a good backdrop. So uh, we can take it from here, choose a backdrop, and maybe I think light will be good. Yep, and we will delete the blank backdrop. And then next what we will do is, so first what we can do is we can get the body to a position so all the other sprites can follow and go there, right? So we can do go to x0 and y0. Okay, so and we will do that when the green flag is clicked. Okay, and then we will go. Okay, so next we will get, here in the body sprite we will just get when this sprite is clicked. So that is the key thing here. So we can do it next costume. So now if we try this, you can see that we already have a like type of switching thing, and you can add as many as costumes you want here, like which your player can choose for their character. So it's not limited that you can only add four uh, s- costumes, or five costumes, or six costumes. Isn't like that. You can take as many as costumes you want. Okay, so in the other ones, what we have to do is we will go to motion, and then we will get a go to. So we can go to the body, as you can see here, something like this. And then we can do that when the green flag is clicked. Okay. And what we can do is we can go to the front layer in case we drag it to the back layer mistakenly. So we will go to here and go to front layer. The face will be at the front. Fine. And then what we will do is we will get the same script here. So that'll be the same script and it'll come here. That's the same script. Okay. Here also, we will go to motion, we will get a go to, and we will go to the body when the green flag is clicked. And we also have to go to the front layer. So we will scroll down, go to front layer. So then we have the ears at the front, and then the same sprite we will add here. Same script, same script. So the same script for every all the sprites, how much ever you have the customizable parts. Okay, and then here for the tail we will go to here and get a when green flag clicked, and here we will go to the body also, and let's try. Yep, so it has automatically went to the back layer, so that's good. And then we will add the same script here, and also we will add go to back layer in case we drag it. So now we have our character designer ready. So now I will show how to do that using the buttons that I showed at the first of this video. So first I will create a new sprite, and then maybe I'll create a button like this. Okay. And you can use shift to make it cool. Next, I will set the outline to 0, like none. And you can choose here any color. So I will choose red. And then I will put some text here. And I will use yellow for the text. So you can do anything however you want. If you want a square, triangle, anything, you can do it. Okay, so I made this. So I will name it as tail button. Okay, and then I will duplicate sprite. Yep, and then I will name it as say ears button, and then I can change the text to ears, and I can align them. Say here tail, here the ears. Okay, and then again I can duplicate this and create a new one for the face. Okay, face. So it depends on how many for example customizable parts you have. So as many as customizable parts you have, that many buttons you would have, or something like that. Yep. So you could duplicate this again, and we will name this as body. So yep. Now the scripting for this would be very simple. Okay, so here what we'll do is we'll go to events and then get when this sprite is clicked. So even we will align the body, right? Okay, so here when this sprite is clicked, we will just broadcast a message like tail next costume or anything like that you want. So I'll broadcast tail next. So I will put the same script in all the button sprites, except I will change the broadcast message. So say ears next. Okay, and then face next. Okay, and then say body next. So something like that, and then I'll go to tail. So if you want, you can also add both the options. For example, if user can also click, okay, and then the user can also click the button to do that. So we'll go to when I receive. So when I receive tail next costume. Okay, so the same here. So when I receive ears next costume, and then when I receive face next costume. Okay, and then when I receive body next costume. So that's it. So you can now configure it with the buttons too, and then you can also configure it with the clicking of the respective sprite, like respective part of the body. So yep guys, that was the tutorial for character designer in Scratch. Thank you all. Bye bye.